All of a sudden it became as snowy as hell and the officials can't deal with it. And we have created the electric grader. No petrol required. We've got a metal sheet and now we're gonna make a snow bucket. We could do it like this, but this is too easy. Like that is better. The only thing left, we should make it rounder. And that will look better. It will be rising like this. I think I'm gonna get a Darwin Award for that. But I don't wanna cut it. How can I do it and what should we do then? It's perfect. You can't work without protection. I'm making a bracing for the bucket itself. What's wrong with you? Let's see about it. If there will be too little incline, that will help. From this level, up here. There's the first and second, they're going to be the lower fastenings for the snow bucket, and the upper one is smaller. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna measure the tube, cut some and make the squad. And weld it right here. The tube must be a proper size and it should be longer than ski tubes, but not touching them. Otherwise we will not be able to fix them. I mean later, for observing. Let's weld it. It was made in 1986. That's a miracle. It has worked flawlessly all this time. We just clean and blow it, and it always works again. Oh my, welded. We have to cut it off, to make it shorter. Now we must make the 30mm shaft suit here. So we have to cut off 80mm of the shaft to make this shaft symmetrical. We've made a tip for welding. It's on fire. Let's make the main measuring. I'm marking 90, 8, 1 cross, and another one. Making a fingertip distance. And the same is here. That's it. And now they suit perfectly. Let's try it all at once. It's so hot, look at the snow. Installing the snow bucket level mechanism. I made it easily moving, so now there's a hinge and the bucket can be raised and downed by a driver. Let's install the snow bucket fixator here, in the upper position. Ready. To make it all working, we need one more special device. And now the lever mechanism is ready to be used. The final touch here. I'm scratching it too hard, I'm gonna spoil it. But why the O letter is like this? I don't know why, but it used to be blue, and then I scratched it, and now it's white. Anyway, it used the other letters better. Alexander, tell me please, what is zero emission? It means no exhaust gas. First test. Turning on. Nice sound. That is a gear switcher over there. But we don't have gears, so it's a level mechanism. Let me show you. On me, left, down. Up, left, and rising it. It's high time. Don't let me down, darling. Little by little. It's too icy, but it doesn't matter. We can do it. Don't get it. It must be powerful. You know what? Too icy? No, you didn't get it. Should I raise the bucket a little? No, it's not. It is burning itself down at once. So it goes down. Yes, it's literally going down. The snow bucket shouldn't be that edgy. Let's add some rubber. Yeah, good idea. So this can fix it. I'm gonna make a speed test. Step back. We must go harder, and that's it. So shall we go outside? Sure thing, all's working. That will be more exciting. There, over here? Where is the best place? Maybe here? Let's put down the bucket. And go. That is awesome! The only drawback, I am covered with snow, but that is my bad. Too much speed. I need some gloves. Look, there's a clear path now. I can't say it's fantastic, but... And the snow is all frozen and icy. But it works and we can do it. There's also a back gear, so I can just... go back. There's a yard. I think my neighbors wouldn't mind me cleaning their path. Rising is easy. We could use a piece of rubber beneath the bucket. For now it's awesome. But yes, if we added some rubber, that would be better. Look here, less than a minute. And this yard is almost clean, but I should train more. And learn how to use it better. It is really fast even now. I can go forward and backwards, always comfortable. I can raise a bucket in a few seconds, it's comfy. Possibly we can clean an entire park with this thing. Cleaning at high speed is also possible, though it becomes snowy. But if you are dressed well, it's not a problem. The snow can't resist. And hello to clean paths. It is hard to turn, but it can turn with a bucket too. A sharp break. Cool. It's okay, guys, we're just stuck a little. Look, we're fine, but... Alex, press on. There's only a few inches to the oil field. Come on. Try harder, Alex. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh no, my flasher. The snow is frozen through. How can I sit here? What's that? Why it's all in snow? Let's clean it. That's it. Here we go. Gotcha. Why it isn't blinking? My flasher! Again, holy light. We have lost its magnet. Really? Yeah. A nice one we've made. Forget about this magnet, it's lost. But I have found it. There it is. That's it. Well, we are waiting till it gets snowy enough, and then we'll test this snow bucket well.
О, все.